A little ways south of Boston, past Fall River and Cape Cod, New Haven, Connecticut is also feeling the impact of this massive winter storm. Kailey Schuyler is there live for us. Kailey.
Hi, John. Well, right now it feels like we're standing in the middle of a snow globe here, just on the outskirts of Yale University campus. The snow is just blowing every which direction. The wind gust picks up and then the snow just kind of slaps you in the face. So this area has already received around 6 to 7 inches, and it's on track to get around a foot of snow because it's not going to let up anytime soon. So right now we're really kind of in near whiteout conditions, and the visibility is about less than a quarter of a mile. Now, I just got off the phone with emergency management services, and they said that people have been listening to their warnings to stay home, stay off the roads. But right here on the ground, I mean, you can see there are some trucks out, people are driving, the roads are a little bit slick. And Connecticut State Police tells me that today across the state, they have responded to numerous abandoned car calls. They have responded to numerous crashes. You can see now this truck is trying to turn around. We have seen a couple of cars spin out today while driving, and that's going to be a concern, especially later on in the night. But Connecticut State Police do say that there is a commercial vehicle ban. So RVs, tractor trailers, tanks, they're not supposed to be on the highways. And if they do go, that's a $92 fine. But the state has deployed around 600 plows, and you can see why. I mean, the roads still look treacherous. This car is still driving pretty slow, but about an inch of snow is expected to fall every hour here. And right now, I want to show you, we still have some of that fun, light, fluffy snow, but as the sun starts to set, we get into the evening, it's going to turn more into sleet here. So that's going to be a problem potentially for power outages, as ice is going to hang on some of these power lines. But for now here, people are still out having fun, but the snow is going to continue into the early morning hours. John?
A lot of people going to be calling out, well, trapped to work tomorrow, I have a feeling. Kailey Schuyler. Kailey, thank you.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.